ఒకసారి స్కైప్‌లోకి వెళ్ళు పవన్. ఒకసారి చూద్దాము. అంటే మన ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో ఎక్కడి వరకు స్టాప్ అయిపోయిందో. ఓన్లీ 12 మినిట్స్ వచ్చింది. సడెన్‌గా పవర్ కట్ అవ్వటం వల్ల ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది? అసెట్ ఓకే. సరే. డిప్రిసియేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఈ నోట్ ప్యాడ్‌లోకి వెళ్ళిపో. So depreciation calculations, asset sale process with the customers using transaction code F-92. Okay, మనం ఏం చేద్దాము అని అంటే first we will going to create the one material using transaction code MM01, and we will going to create the standard PO created under the number. Okay, you do one thing, Pawan. Can you go to the transaction code MM02? Whatever the material that we have created, okay, we will going to see it. Based on that, we will going to do the purchase orders. I mean, purchase order creation and all for the assets. So previous ga చాలా ఎర్రర్స్ అనేది ఫేస్ చేసాము. ఆ ఎర్రర్స్ పర్టికులర్గా ఐ థింక్ పర్చేస్ ఆర్డర్ నెంబర్ వచ్చేసి 5586. సో ప్రీవియస్గా వీ హ్యావ్ ఫేస్డ్ సో మెనీ errors regarding with the purchase order creations of the account assignment category of the assets. Okay, that is very, very important. Enter chain, no issue. Click on the enter. The material doesn't exist or is not activated. This go. Basic data 1, purchasing. Purchasing. The next one is accounting data 1. The general plant storage 1. Continue, no issue. And give your plant and storage location. Give your plant and storage location. Give your plant and storage. Go to the continue option. Okay, so you can just observe yourself. Base unit of measure is a PC, and basic. Okay, click on the enter. Automatically it will go to the purchasing data tab. Okay, here base unit of measure is a PC, and we have one purchase organization, sorry, purchasing group, that is KIN, and material group is a machines, okay, or engines or anything. Okay, whatever the material group that you want to give, you can just give it. So otherwise there is no issue. Okay, click on the enter. Okay, so this is the plant storage and plant data for these particular things, and base unit of measures is a PC, and we know it very well. And click on the enter. We will going to see the accounting data tab 1. Under this thing, you have to give the valuation areas and the pricing control. That is your choice. Okay, that is the client requirement. So whether it is a price control of V or price control of yes, or whatever it may be, either it is a moving average price or normal standard prices and all. See, current period is a 08 period, and you know it very well. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it, I think so. Yes, sir. See, and what we need to do is can you go to the notepad, and we have to extend this material with the help of reference number. Okay, we have to extend this material to the goods receipt. Okay, then H. Okay, under this B point, put one point here. So we have to extend the material to the goods receipt. Extend the material to the goods receipt. We have to extend the material, yes, material number to the goods receipt. Material number to the goods receipt. To the goods receipt. RECEIPT. Goods receipt. No, CEIPT. So can you go to the transaction code MM01, and we will going to extend this material with the help of references to the particular goods receipt and all. Slash n MM01 and take out your material number. Take out your material number. Give your industrial sector, that is mechanical engineering, and the material type is a trading goods. Material type is a trading, and copy that material and paste it in this copy from. Copy that material and paste it in this copy form. Now click on the enter. Okay, take out the basic data 1, purchasing data and tabs, and all. General data tab and accounting tab 1. Go to the continue option. Okay, give the plant and storage locations and all. And then storage location, go to the continue option. Material already maintained for this transaction or event. Okay, it has been maintained, but when it comes to the okay, no issue. Okay, no worries. Yeah, remove this thing. And if it throws any error and all, we will come back to this material MM01 and we will going to see. Okay, and we will going to extend the material. Already I think we have maintained all these things in the purchase order, so that is why it is taking like this. Okay, what we need to do is, can you give /n and go to the steps, that is ME21N transaction code. ME21N transaction code, create purchase order, okay, with the help of main vendor and all, and also here we will going to purchase the asset, okay, based on the account assignment steps and invoice steps. Okay, give your company code. Okay, so previously we have faced the errors and all. Can you open that? Okay, you do one thing. Can you give the item as 40? Item as 40 and account assignment category is asset. Account assignment category is the asset. Okay, then next material number is 586. Then PO quantity is the 1, and net price is a 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 rupees. And the next one is give your plant and storage locations and all. Plant and storage location. Click on the enter. Automatically it will take the each and every details of the materials and all. Now it is net price of item 40 adapted from the last document. Okay, remove the 2 lakh rupee and give the 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, previously we have purchased one asset, right? So that is why it is giving no. 1,50,000. Click on the enter once again. Okay, now it is not giving any error, right? Can you come down and go to the account assignments? Go to the account assignments. So here you can just take asset category. Okay, what is the asset that we have created? That is 6th, right? And 5th oil refinery machines. Okay, go to the continue option. Automatically it will going to take you to the next screen. Okay, check. See, what we need to do is, can you go to the Skype one? See here, previously we have faced many errors. Okay, what are those errors are? See, in each and everything we will going to face some more errors. Okay, so what we have faced is GL account that is 2 lakh. Can you go to the transaction code FS00? We will going to see it. Okay, go to the fixed assets and all. This is a plant and machinery fixed assets, and then next to go to the change option, go to the create or bank interest. See here, whatever the field status group that we have assigned to the particular GL accounts and all, that is the Z067s and all. Okay, go to the additional account assignments. So if you don't find out the below options, I mean, if you don't find out the down arrow options, okay, you can just use the shift and down arrow options. Automatically you will going to find out the all these things. Okay, the system will going to throw you an error. Okay, can you show me that error also, Pawan, in the Skype? Show me that error. Okay, so all of you, if you face any error regarding with these things and all, okay, just to change the field status groups of the particular GL accounts and all, and also field status groups. Okay, field status. See here, there is a diagnosis. The diagnosis is that comparison of the field selection string from the GL account to lakh. Okay, and the account assignment category A, whatever the account assignment category that we have assigned in the purchase order, okay, that is A, reveals that there is an incompatible combination of field selections for the field selection group asset number or sub number. That is the GL account or reconciliations account. Okay, the GL account field selection is stored in table T004F, and that for the account assignments is stored in the table T162K. Okay, can you go to the SAP system? Can you go to the SAP system and go to the transaction code /n SE38? Go to the transaction code SE38. Okay, so can you give the program? Yes, that is the program only. Okay, whatever the movement type that we have, okay, can you give on this thing and go to the execute button? Movement type is a goods receipt, right? So that is why we are giving like this. So this is the GL account, and you will going to see what is the optional entry and what is the suppress entry for this Z067s and all. Okay, so if you want to make all these options as a suppress entry or as a required entry or as a optional entries and all, you will going to do it. Okay, so you can just see year marked funds should be in a optional entry, and joint venture recovery indicator should be in a optional entry. Then only I mean system will going to post you, I mean post the purchase orders and all. Okay, don't forget to check all these things, I mean all these transaction codes and also reports. Okay, program reports and all. And also we will going to see the OM E9 transaction code. Can you go to the transaction code OM E9, Pawan? Can you go to the transaction code OM E9? Here you will going to find out the more things. Okay, what are those things here? See, the most important thing that we have here is, first of all, whatever the transactions that we are doing, I mean, whatever the transaction codes that we are using in the purchase orders and all, okay, automatically you can just observe yourself, there is a account assignment category. Okay, when it comes to the periods and all, this is a demo server, that is we are having the authorization to change the field status groups in Okay, when it comes to the consultants activities and all, but when it comes to the real time and all, you don't have any authorizations to change the account assignments categories field status groups so for the particular material management and all. Okay, so this is the main asset. Can you go to the OM E9 transaction codes and all, and if the system is throwing an error, okay, what you need to do is see there is a field labels and mandatory fields, optional entries and display and hidden entries and all. Okay, you can check with any entry. So suppose now it is showing that year marked funds. In the error, we have got year marked funds is in a suppress mode, and we have to make this option, this entry as a or else this option as a optional entry. Okay, what we need to do is first we will check with the OM E9 transaction code in the field status groups of the What we need to do is we will check with the year marked. Okay, can you go to the OM E9 transaction? Check with these things. Yeah, can you come down next page? Business process, come down. Cost object. There is no any year marked funds. Okay, year marked funds are not there. Okay. Okay, so 10 by 10 is over. Then what we need to do is, can you go to the OBC for transaction code, and we will going to find out the year back to funds and all here in this tabs and all. Okay, can you come down? See here, there is a year marks. Go up, up, come down, 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 down. See here, there is a year marked funds, and this should be in a optional entry. Okay, all of you. So if you face any errors and all, please send a a screenshot, I mean error screenshot to my WhatsApp number, automatically we will going to give the reply. But without doing all these things, and don't send the error to my WhatsApp numbers and all. Please make some changes. And if you can't find out the answers and all, we will going to do it. Okay. Then next step. Next, what is the next thing here? Give me 1 second. Okay, right. So the next thing is we need to enter this goods receipt, right? That we have to receive the asset from the vendors, right? Using transaction code MIGO. Okay, right. Can you go to the transaction code MIGO? I think have you posted the purchase orders or not? Yes. Go to the check options. Sorry. Give me 1 second. And we have to check with the goods receipt and all. Okay, you do one thing. Can you go to the ME23N? Can you go to the transaction code ME23N? ME23N. Okay, go up. Go up. Okay, and this is the item overview. Go to the item overview. Okay, can you go to the change options and all? Go to the change options. After the create options, we have changing options. Okay, so in the invoice, no, in the invoice, come down. In the invoice tab, so you have to, okay, have you, okay, you have tick marked on this GR based invoice. Okay, so in the invoice receipt, we have to tick mark on the GR based invoices and all. Then only you will going to post this goods receipts and all. Okay, please take care of each and everything. And also we have to check with the one transaction code based on the errors and all. Can you go to the transaction code SE16N, Pawan? Okay, so can you take out this T004F first? See, the GL account field selection is stored in table T004F. See, if you find any error regarding with the field status groups and all, you will going to find whether all these fields are stored in the T004F and whether all these fields are stored in the T162K. Okay, table. Can you click on the enter? Click on the enter. Can you give field status variant? Can you give field status variant? Go to the execute option. See, you will going to find number of field status groups. Okay, so if you don't find all these field status groups and all, what you need to do is can go to the OBC for transaction code, automatically copy standard field status transaction, I mean field status groups and all, and change the field status group to your company code. Okay, automatically go to the save button. Automatically it will going to show you number of field status group. Then you can come back to the Z067 field status. I mean that is reconciliation accounts of field status groups. Then you can make some changes. Automatically your error will be resolved. Okay, so I mean we have forgotten to record all these errors and all. Okay, so if you face any errors regarding with this purchase orders of the assets and all, you can just send a screenshot to my WhatsApp number. Okay, then next step. Go to the transaction code MIGO, MIGO. Can you close all these buttons? I mean all these sessions and all. Close all these sessions. Bon. SAP sessions. Close these things. Close all these things. Okay, right. So here give /n and go to the transaction code MIGO, MIGO. Okay, have you taken the purchase order and all? Have you taken the purchase order? You do one thing. Can you go to the transaction code ME23N? Automatically, we will going to see the purchase order that we have created, right? Okay, 2/12/2022. Okay, so here in the what we need to do is we have to take out the goods receipt and all. If you don't find out the goods receipt and all, we need to take out this thing. Okay, all of you. And here in the quality in delivery note, give 1, and this is the PC. Come down, and you have to tick mark on the item. Okay, go up, go up. Okay, so can you click on the enter? Go to the check option. We will, I mean, whether the system is throwing an error or not, we will going to check. Okay, posting only possible in periods 2208 company codes. Okay, what we need to do is, so this is the 9th period, right? I think so. Give me 1 second. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, this is the 9th period. We have to open the 9th period. Okay, can you go to the transaction code MMRV? Go to the transaction code MMRV. It is in a current period 08. We have to change it. Okay, go to the MMPV transaction code. Give your company code. Okay, and the period is 9. No need to give any two company code. Period is 9, and the fiscal year is 2022. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Go to the execute button. Okay, now it is open, right? Okay, good. Then give slash and go to the transaction code MMRV. We need to check MMRV. Click on the enter. Now it is in a current period, 9th period, right? Okay, give slash and go to the transaction code MIGO, MIGO, MIGO. Okay, click on the enter, go to the check option. Now this document is okay, right? Can you go to the post option? Post and save is the same thing, right? I think so. Okay, material document. Okay, take out this material document and note it down in the notepad. And we have received the asset using this. What is the thing? F110. Okay, copy this thing and paste it in the notepad. Okay, you do one thing, Bhavan. Can you go to the same material? I mean, MIGO. Okay, go to the goods receipt. Goods receipt. No. Here, goods receipt. Here, open the goods receipt. Can you go to the display option? Click on the enter. Here, what we need to do is press enter. Click on the enter. Okay, right. And then next, click on this document information tab. Document information tab. No. Here. Here tab ఉంది కదా. కొంచెం పైకి వెళ్ళు. ఆ మెటీరియల్ డాక్యుమెంట్ కింద document informations look well. So go to the FI documents. See here we have posted the accounting document and asset transactions. Okay. So now what we need to do is double click on this accounting document. Double click on this accounting document. Now you can just observe yourself with these things. Asset account data to the GRIR, goods receipt or invoice receipt account creditor. Okay, come back. Okay, then you click on this asset transaction. Double click on this asset transaction. Okay, you got the thing. Okay, then next one is to go to the invoice receipt transaction code. Okay, that is MIRO. Go to the transaction code MIRO /MIRO. Go to the transaction code MIRO. Okay, and what is your calculated taxes and all, Pawan? So have you taken the calculated tax? Enter valid date. Okay, give your valid date 02.11.2000. Sorry, 12.2022. Click on the enter. Purchase order. No. This is material document, Pawan. Give your purchase order. 400. So 45,000,022,406. 45,000,022,406. Take out that one. Yes, click on the enter. Okay, now you got the thing, right? And can you calculate the taxes? Go up. Yes, open the calculate tax button. No. Open the calculate tax. Okay, you do one thing. Give /n. Go to the OBBC transaction code. Go to the OBBC transaction code and go to the position and give your country. This is okay. Change your tax procedure. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, right. Can you give a Miro transaction code and give the invoice date? Calculate tax and give the invoice date 02.12.2022. Okay, and what is the amount? 1,65,000 rupees. Okay, yeah. Can you click on the enter? Click on the enter. Now it is showing any errors. Okay, right. Go to the messages. We are going to see it. Account 2 has not been okay. Can you go to the another session? Another session. Okay, and go to the FS00 transaction code. Go to the FS00 transaction code. Okay, right. Give you your tax category. Go to the continue option. Go to the save button and save it. Only tax categories we defined for reconciliation account. This tax code has been changed. The data contains only tax categories, spaces, comma are defined for reconciliation. You do one thing. Can you remove this thing? Okay. Remove the K category. Open up. Open the drop down option. Open the drop down option. Take out the only input tax allowed. Only input taxes allowed. Take out that one. Continue. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. No issue. Give /n. Okay, right. Click on the enter. Enter. Once again. Go to the messages. Messages. And it is showing this only. Okay, you do one thing. Remove this thing. Go to the /n. And once again come back to the Miro transaction code. Miro. Okay, good. And give the invoice date. Calculate tax. And take out the purchase order. Calculate tax. Click on the enter. Okay, give the amount as 1,65,000. Click on the enter. Okay, it is not showing any error, right? Okay. Go to the simulate option. Go to the simulate option. Okay, you can just observe yourself with these things. Input CGST, input SGST, and vendor account creditor and goods receipt invoice receipt account, and it has been nullified. Okay, can you go to the post option, Pawan? Go to the post option. Okay, now this document has been posted. Okay, take out this document and paste it in the notepad. Paste it in the notepad. Okay. All right. Then next one is The next thing here is, can you go to the transaction code AS03? We will going to see whether this capitalization date has been assigned to the particular asset, and also vendor is assigned to the particular asset or not. Okay, can you go to the transaction code AS03? Okay, give display asset and go to the origin tab. See, capitalization date has been assigned. Previously, capitalization date has not been assigned to the particular posting information tabs. No, sorry, a particular general data tabs and all. Now it has been assigned. Acquisition year 2022 and the period is 09. Can you go to the origin tab? You will going to see the vendor. Okay, previously we haven't assigned this vendor in this origin tabs. Can you go to the depreciation areas? I think depreciation areas we have assigned it. No issue. P01 and the useful life of the assets is these things. Can you give /n? Can you give /n? Give a /n. Okay, you got the thing. Now then go to the notepad. What we need to do is go to the notepad. And what is the next thing is invoice receipt is over and the asset explorer using transaction code AW01N. Can you go to the transaction code AW01N? Can you go to the transaction code AW01N? Okay. So what is the asset that we have got? 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, you got the thing, and go to the posted values and all. See, we haven't created or any purchasing of the asset with vendor using transaction code F-90. So we have posted this purchase order with the help of assets and all. Okay, you got the thing. This transaction type is a 120. That is a goods receipt. Can you go up? Go to the posted values. Go to the posted values. Come down. You will going to see the depreciation. Okay, you got the thing and all. Okay, that is 3,760 rupees for the ninth periods and all. 9th period and 10th period. So to be combining each and everything and all. So it has been a value that is a 3,760 rupees. So that is the main important thing. Can you go up? Can you go up? What we need to do is, can you go to the parameters, comparisons or parameters? We don't have any comparisons. Parameters is SLM, machines is 15%. Okay, ordinary depreciation start date is 0.11, 12.2022, and go to the comparisons. We don't have any comparisons, right? I think so. Yes, no issue. Give me 1 second. Okay, so that is the main important thing right now we have. Okay, so have you seen each and everything, right? So see here, we have done a lot of depreciation depreciation postings and all using spool methods and all background methods and all. Now we have seen each and everything, right? Can you give /n here, Pawan? Give /n. You do one thing. Go to the transaction code once again, AW01N. AW01N. Okay, take out the another session. Take out the another session. Now we have to run the depreciation, right? Using transaction code AFAB. Can you go to the transaction code AFAB? AFAB. Okay, and no. Posting period is a 10. I think so. 10. And this is a repeat depreciation. Repeat depreciation. Come down and take out the main asset. That is main asset is a 6, right? That is 5th oil refinery machinery. Click on the enter. Go to the execute button. Go on the enter. Enter. Go to the execute button. Okay. Yes. This test run was terminated. Referred to the error log. Can you go to the error log once again? Go to the no. Here only. Go to the execute button. Here you have a test run, right? Click on the enter. No issue. Only period 009 can be posted. Okay. Can you remove this thing and go to the unplanned depreciations and all? Come back. Remove the posting period. Remove the posting period 10 and give 9. 9 also. Give 9. We will going to see it. Okay. Okay. Month has been changed, right? So that is the thing. Click on the enter, go to the execute button. Click on the enter, go to the execute button. A test run contain errors. Go to the errors. Posting already performed in period. Okay, you do one thing. Can you remove this thing? Can you remove this thing? Come back. Come back. Remove the posting period 9 and give the 10. No issue. Click on the enter. Enter. Go to the execute button. Go to the execute button. Yes. Okay. Now you got the thing right. Okay, 3,760 rupees has been successfully posted. We can just come back one step back. See, month has been changed, right? So this is the 02.11.12.2020. So that is the thing. Can you come down? Remove the test run and remove the main assets and all. Remove the main assets and all sub assets also. Click on the enter. Go to the program. Go to the program. Yes, enter. Go to the program. Execute in background. Give the output device as LP01 and go to the continue option. Yes. And go to the immediate. Go to the check option. Right. Can you go to the save button? Yes. Yes. Background job was scheduled for program. Okay. What is the program? RA post to 2000. Go to the services. Go to the services. We will going to see whether we have, spool errors and all. If we don't have spool errors and all, automatically we will going to see it. Go to the execute button. Go to the execute button. Can you come down? All these things are finished. 59 users, 73. Can you come down? We will going to see the job name, that is RA post 2000. Okay. Okay, it has been posted. What you need to do is, can you go to that screen? AW01N. AW01N. Already in open చేసావు. Already you have opened the AW01. Can you go to the posted values? Come down. Come down. So it is in a planned run. Okay, what we need to do is we will going to refresh the asset. Okay, refresh this thing. Can you come down? We will going to see it. Okay, this asset has been posted. Okay, the depreciation has been posted. Ordinary depreciation is 3,760 rupees. Okay, can you give /n? Can you give /n? And we have to run this asset on the 11th period. Okay, 11th period is, I think this is the 9th, 10th, and 11th is the February. Okay, can you give /n? Can you give /n? Okay, go to the notepad. And what is the next step? Last step. What is the last step? So asset sale process with the customer using transaction code F-92. Can you go to the transaction code F-92? Pawan, can you go to the transaction code F-92? Okay, we have to see the, each and every step. Then only you will going to get the clear understanding. Can you change the document type? Document date 01.01.02.2023. Okay, that is the 11th period, right? We have run the depreciation for the 2 months, right? So that is why I'm changing the posting dates and all. 2023. Okay, and the period is the 11th period. And the period is the 11th period. Okay, okay, right. So can you give document header text? Document header text. What is the document header text? No. So this is the asset selling process. Asset selling process. Give me 1 second, Pawan. I'm getting call. Okay, right, Pawan. Sorry for the disturbance. And go to the that thing. Okay, give the posting key 01 and the account is a customer account. Give the customer account. Automatically, you will going to see the details. No issue. Click on the enter. Enter. Okay, give the amount. How much amount that is? Anything? No. That is tax only. Okay, can you give 1,50,000? No, not the 1,50,000. We will take the difference amount. Okay, automatically we will going to see the loss of assets and all right. Can you give 1 lakh? How much? 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Very good. And can you give the text as asset sale process with the customer? Asset sale process with the customer. Asset sale process with customer. Asset sale process with customer. Okay, can you take out the 50 is a credit entry, right? I think so. 50 is the credit entry. Okay, then next account is a sale of asset account. Sale of 300,100. Yes, take out that one. Okay, click on the enter. Enter. Rules for posting key 50 and 300,100 set incorrectly. Again, we are getting this error. Yeah, go to the create new session. Go to the FS00 transaction code. Click on the enter and go to the 300,100, right? And open the sales. No, sales. No. Sale of asset accounting. I think so. Go up. Other incomes. Yes. So 300,100. Go to the change option. Go to the create or bank interest. Go to the create or bank interest, and that is Z052. Okay. And give slash n here. Pawan. Give slash n. Okay. Go open the OBC for transaction code. Yes. And go to the fields. That is KIND. Yes. Select this thing and go to the field status groups. And go to the create new sessions and all. Open the OB41 transaction. Sorry. Open this account for fixed asset Z052. Double click on this thing and go to the create new session and open the OB41 transaction code. Open the 50 posting key. Credit entry. Open the main field status and open the general data. Or go to the OBC for transaction code. All things are same. Come back. Settlement periods. A business area is an optional entry. Okay. Go to the OB 41. OBC4. Everything is fine. Okay. Field check. Okay, it is in a suppress mode and go to the second thing. Okay, good. Then next. Due date and value date is in a optional entry. Okay, go to the OBC4. Due date. Okay, due date is a optional entry and value date is in a suppress. I think so. Check with that thing. Due date suppress. Value date optional entry. Okay, right. Okay, right. Asset number we have to check with. Okay, change it to the required entry. Sorry, change it to the optional entry. Automatically we will going to see. Go to the save button and save it. Optional entry. Optional. Go to the OBC4 and give the optional entry. Go to the save button and save it. Double click on this Z052 and go to the asset accounting. Okay, right. Same thing. Check with this thing. Check with another thing also. Taxes. I think all these in a suppress mode. No issue. Go to the account. I mean, go to the F-92 transaction code. Same thing. No, already open చేసాం. All right. Can you click on the enter? You do one thing. Can you give /n? Go to the once again the transaction code F-92 and give the document date and give the posting date also. And change the period to 11th. Change the period to 11th. And give the account. And give the account. No, not the 3002. That is customer account. Customer account. Remove the customer and click on the enter. Go to the continue option and take out that thing. Okay, click on the enter. Now you can just give the amount 1,40,000 rupees and the text as asset sale process with customer, and the posting key is a 50 and the account is a 300,100. Click on the enter. Now we will going to see it. Okay, it is not throwing any error, right? Can you give amount star and text express? Click on the enter. Go to the document simulate option. Go to the document simulate option. Okay, and give me 1 second here, and we have to check with the asset retirement, right? Give me 1 second. So have we? Okay, can you go to the asset retirement also, Pawan? So don't save this thing and all. We have to do the asset retirement. Can you give /n here? Can you give /n here? Go to the F-92 transaction code. F-92 transaction code. Click on the enter. Go to the document date and give the posting date as same thing. And we have to check with the asset retirement also. Okay. Asset sale process, give the 50 and take out the GL account. Click on the enter. Okay, I give the amount and give the text and take out the asset retirement. Click on the enter. Okay, give the asset. Continue. And asset value date is 01.02.2023. 01.02.2000 complete retirement. No. Here give the complete retirement. Okay. No need to give a amount posted and all. Already we have given the amount posted, right? I think so. Okay, continue. No issue. Okay, go to the document simulate option. Go to the document simulate option. Okay, now you got the thing, right? Loss on sale of asset is 6,000 to 40 rupees. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Okay, can you go to the document display option? Okay, right now you got the thing, right? Okay, depreciation calculation is 3,760 rupees and loss on sale of asset is 6,240 rupees. Can you give /n and go to the AW? I think already you have opened that thing. AW01. You didn't open that thing. Okay, go to the transaction code AW01 and click on the enter. Now this asset has been saved. Okay. Okay, right. There is no any depreciation. So this is about purchase order. I mean procurement process of the asset through the purchase orders and all, and asset depreciations and all, and asset selling process with customers and all. So this is how we can do each and every step in the asset accounting complete process. Okay, so that is the main important thing that you have to keep this point in your mind. Okay, that is the main important intention also. Okay, without having all these things, so when it comes to the interview point of view and all, you cannot even tell one answer to the particular questions and all. Okay, based on the, I mean, some topics and all, they will going to do some things. Okay, Okay, right. So can you go to the notepad? I think save this notepad and post this notepad in the chat box. Okay, right. Post this notepad in chat box. No. Procurement of asset through purchase order. Can you remove this thing and save the file once again? Procurement of go to the file and save procurement of file. Procurement of asset through purchase order. Procurement of asset through purchase order. Through purchase order. Through purchase order. Purchase order. So go to the save button and save it. Okay, and post it in the chat box. Okay, we have done with each and every configuration, and we have done with each and every process of the asset accounting and all. This is the main real-time scenarios procurement. If you get any errors and all, they will going to ask you different types of errors regarding with the error type. Already we have seen a lot of errors. Okay, but I mean, we didn't record that video and all, so that is why if you face any problem, I mean if you face any error regarding with the comparison of the field selection strengths from the GL accounts and the account assignments categories and all, okay, you can just post the, I mean you can just send the error to my WhatsApp number. I will going to show the things. Okay,